To gain access to the accompanying workbook, scan the QR code or click the link in the description down below.
Oh, hi, Detective. I'm sorry. I'm so tired today. Do you think you can help me find a clue? Because I am exhausted. You can? Who do we usually call for clues? Sound Monster. Should we call him? All right, ready? Sound Monster. Sound Monster. Sound Monster, what are you doing in the tree? Oh, just hanging around. Well, come here. We have to solve a clue. All right, what is our story today? Oh, this is a really good one. Oliver the Octopus is in the Olympics, but he needs us to show the best Olympic tentacles. Okay, what else do we need to do? Every time you hear the aw sound, you have to move your fingers. Every time you hear aw, you need to move your tentacles. You ready? Oliver the Octopus organized an underwater Olympics. All of the animals competed in odd events like octopus obstacles racing. That was a silly story. I think I see Oliver. Here he is. Here's Oliver the Octopus. Ooh, he's showing us the letter O. This is the name O. What's its name? O. What's its name? O. What's its sound? Ah. Whoa, weird. My mouth almost makes exactly like the O. Watch. Ah. Does it look the same? Ah. My tongue is at the bottom of my mouth. My teeth in my mouth, lips are open. Ah. Let's see what our voice box is doing. Ah. It's vibrating. That means it's using my voice. Ah. 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 That is awesome sounds. All right, let's do our action so that we can get really good at our song. This is my action. O, octopus, ah. And I do my tentacles like my fingers. Ready? O, octopus, ah. Can you do it by yourself? Let's do it together. O, octopus, ah.
Are you guys ready to move your bodies and sing our alphabet song? Let's start singing. M, map, A, apple, a. T, table, t. S, snake, s. P, pig, N, nut, n. I, itch, I. C, cat, k. F, fence, D, dog, d. H, hat, h. O, octopus, ah.
All right, this is an uppercase O. What is this? Uppercase O. This is a lowercase o. What is this? Lowercase o. They kind of look the same, but this one, remember, the uppercase is always going to be bigger than the lowercase. The lowercase is the short bear. Uppercase O, lowercase o. Do you think you can help me sort my letters? Uppercase O, ah. 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 Lowercase 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 o, ah. All right, my friends, we are going to write. Do you remember my song? You do? Let's sing it. When I write a letter, start at the top, at the top. When I write a letter, start at the top, at the top. When I write a letter, practice makes it better. When I write a letter, start at the top. We are going to write uppercase O and lowercase o. And guess what? I have a trick to help you. Say ah. Way to go. Say ah. Yeah, let's get really close so you can see my mouth. Ah. Oh, look at that. When I make the O sound, ah, it looks like the letter O. That's so cool. Let's write uppercase O. Uppercase O is going to start at the top. We're going to start at the skyline. You're going to go around and down to the grass line, back up to the skyline and connect. It looks like our mouth. Let's do uppercase O one more time. We're going to start at the top. We're going to start at the skyline, go down and around to the grass line and back up to the skyline. Way to go. Let's do lowercase o. Lowercase o looks the exact same, but he's a short bear. So he's going to start at the mountain line. All right, get your magical wand ready. You're on the mountain line. Let's do it. Around, down to the grass line, up and back to the mountain line. Let's do it one more time. Start at the mountain line, down to the grass line, up and around to the mountain line. Way to go. I'm going to tell you a word. I want you to tap the sounds in that word. Can you say pot? Tap the sounds. Did you say p-ot? Say op. Tap the sounds. Did you say op? Now I'm going to tell you some sounds and I want you to tell me the word. Og. Did you say hog? Ot. Did you say hot? You have learned all about the letter O. Can you do this on your own? We just finished learning about the letter O. If you did that page on your own or with an adult and you are ready to color in the letter O on your map, go ahead and do it now. To gain access to the accompanying workbook, scan the QR code or click the link in the description down below.